So hello everyone, so this is CA Sanidhya Saraf, your friend, mentor and coach for audit. So I believe that you are doing great, right? So this particular video is exclusively designed for the South India students and all the students who are more comfortable in English than Hindi, right? So for the first time ever, I have come out with something very unique and exclusive for the South India students. This is Mission 70 Plus in CA Inter Audit for all my friends from South India. So what I have done is I have launched a very special and unique batch for you all with regard to CA Inter Audit. Now just a small request that please see the video till the end. Please see the video till the end. Now in this particular batch, we are going to follow a very unique methodology, that is the CPI approach. We are going to cover entire CA Inter Audit in just 80 hours. My personalized guidance is going to be available with you all. So basically my personalized guidance, my personalized number will be given. I'll be available for any kind of personalized guidance, and all my experience I shall be actually departing it to you all, right? And this is for the very first time for the South India students, and the entire audit is going to be covered in just 80 hours. Now what is this CPI approach? See, the CPI approach is basically C stands for concept, P stands for presentation, I stands for interlinking. When we talk about the concepts, we'll be layering out the concepts in three phases. First of all, we shall be understanding the concepts. Then we shall make every effort to retain the concept in the class itself. And I will be guiding with you with the tricks how you can retain those concepts. And at the same time, it is very important that we actually deliver those concepts in the exam hall. Otherwise, it is of no use to us. So I will also be giving you a guidance how to deliver the concepts in the exam hall. So the first layer is the concepts. First, we'll thoroughly understand the concepts. Then we'll work upon retaining the concepts, and then I will teach you how to deliver the concepts in the exam hall. Then we are going to work on presentation. See, presentation is going to be very important. It is one of the most important part. Suppose you went to a sweet shop. The sweets are very nice, but the presentation is very bad. The mosquitoes are all around there. You will not prefer that sweet shop. But you go to another sweet shop. Let us say the taste is average, but the presentation is very nice, very nicely decorated. You might prefer that sweet shop. The same applies to our presentation in exam. A student writing an average answer may get more marks than a student writing quality answer with bad presentation. So presentation is equally important. So I'm also going to guide you how to work on presentation. And finally, I for interlinking. Audit is a subject of interlinking. We must know how to interlink the concepts very well. Like different standards, they will be connected with each other. They will be interrelated with each other. We'll be doing the audit of Caro, but it will be interrelated with the audit report chapter. We'll be doing the particular standards of auditing. One standard will be correlated with another standards of auditing. We'll be doing a dry chapter like bank audit, but there also you will see that the interlinking aspect will come from different standards. So that is very important. So again, that also I'm going to focus. The coverage, if I talk about, the coverage is minimum 90%. The coverage is minimum 90% as per the ICS study material. And if you follow my guidance properly, you can easily get 70 plus in Inter Audit. And what is the time needed for your preparation? See, 80 to 85 hours is the duration of the class. And 50% you can count as your first revision time. So suppose 80 to 85% is the class duration time, and another 40 to 45 hours for your revision. So in 130 to 140 hours, you can do audit in a comprehensive manner for the very first time, and thereafter you have to do your subsequent revisions. How to do subsequent revisions, that also I'll be guiding you in the class itself, that how to do the subsequent revisions. In the subsequent revision, what shall be the strategy, how to plan the revisions, everything I have taught you in the class, right? And one of the best part of the classes is that it is a recording of our face-to-face classes. So in face-to-face classes, we have a direct interaction with the students, and the quality of the lectures are even better. So we have a direct, interaction with the students in those classes, and this is a face-to-face recording. What are the books that you will get? So basically, you will get multicolor concept book. So the audit book, normally the audit book is very boring. The students feel that it is very boring, but the book that I'm going to provide you, it is going to be colorful, it is going to be attractive. You are going to have a fun learning the audit subject. In 450 pages, the entire audit has been taken care of. And also I'm going to provide you a question bank. So sir, regarding the price, what is going to be the price of this particular course? So for the very first time and exclusively for the students of South India, to ensure that this course actually reaches each and every one, the price I've kept is very nominal. For the first 50 students, what we have decided is only will be charging 1499 for the entire course with ebooks with 8 months validity. and almost 2 views, 1.8 views, and 2799 with the hard copy notes. Right. Do remember, this particular offer is only for the first few students, and thereafter the prices are going to increase. So right now you can enroll for this particular course, before the offer actually expires and the price increases. So how will you enroll for the course? You can visit our website www.apnamentor.com, or you can contact at 69019555055. If you need any kind of personalized guidance, any kind of personalized support, then you can WhatsApp me personally on my number 863-858-5920, 863-858-5920. So hopefully this particular course is going to be very beneficial for you all. I'm going to try and become your audit Sarthi, but at the same time you have to promise me, you have to give me a commitment that you will be following me with dedication. One more thing, I want only sincere students enrolled for this course. I don't want students that who will not be following me with, who will not be following me religiously. I don't want students who will not be following the guidance. I don't want such kind of students. It's better you don't enroll for the course. If you are enrolling for the course, what I need is your sincerity, your guidance, your commitment, your faith. And that is what I need. If you're ready to give me your commitment, your sincerity, your faith, your dedication, I'm ready to give you 200% support from my end, and I'm going to guarantee you good results for Inter Audit. Right? So all the very best. So let's meet in classes. Any kind of personalized guidance, I am there for you. You can just WhatsApp me on the given number. All the best.